Hi everyone, my name is Taya. I'm the founder of Thermomix Thailand. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a traditional Thai food with Thermomix in Varoma function. And the recipe we are going to prepare today is called Pla Kapong Neung Manao และ Ekkamai Soi, or in English is called steamed jasmine rice with steamed seabass in spicy lemonade soup. So let's do it. Okay, so the accessory that we are going to need for this recipe is, first off, is a simmering basket to cook rice. The second one, we are going to need the Varoma basket. And the third one is we're going to need the Varoma tray. Last but not least, of course, the Varoma lid. And the spatula to help when the rice cooked. Now I'm cutting and put the vegetable in the Varoma basket. Next step, I'm going to put the sea bass fillet on the Varoma tray. To prevent the water to leaking down, I use the baking paper to put here in the bottom. Like this. I marinated the fish with salt and vinegar before. And then I will put a little bit of coriander on the top to make it smells good. Ta-da! And we're done. Now, put the Varoma basket, place in a position on the top, following Varoma tray and the Varoma lid. Most importantly, the first step is we have to set the time here, and we go for 19 minutes, not 19 seconds. 19. Okay, here is the time setting. And we go for the temperature, which is Varoma temperature, turn all the way to the right. And the last one is speed, which is speed 4. Next step is put all the ingredients that we have here. So throw it all in: garlic, chili, onions, spring onions, and this, and stop want it smaller, we will go with steam 6. Finished with the soup, now we are going to seasoning and put the taste on it a little bit. So I will use 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of lime. Our rice here, and there we go. Steamed sea bass with steamed rice. So that's all with the recipe today. Very easy, and we have the rice and the sea bass, steamed sea bass, jasmine rice. Thermomix, future of cooking right here.